Welcome to TTTV. I'm Pam Stask from Trenchless Technology Magazine, reporting from the floor at the No Dig Show in Dallas with Bill Gray, the recipient of the 2008 NASTT Chairman's Award. So Bill, how have you seen NASTT evolve over the years?
Thank you. I've seen considerable changes. Maybe 20 years ago, in 1988, I was running one or two seminars in Ontario, and I came down to Washington to meet the forming board of NASTT. We had the first convention in Washington in 1991. I think there was 250 people came to that. Now we've got thousands coming. We've got a vast exhibit floor and much interest. It's so exciting to see the considerable changes.
And so why is an event like No Dig an important event for the Trenchless community?
But I mentioned 20 years ago I brought Ray White across from England, and in that case in York water, trenchless was the way to go. In Europe at that time, if you wanted to put a pipe more than 10 feet in the ground, you looked at trenchless. Now in North America it's about 15 feet below the ground. People start to understand the importance of trenchless means by minimising social cost and disruption to the community. And this show explains that in great detail to those that care to listen, whether they be housewives, house husbands, clients, engineers, anyone at all. It just explains the business.
And how have you seen the attitudes towards water and sewer infrastructure change over time?
People across North America are starting to realise the problem with infrastructure and ageing infrastructure. The fact that you get water main breaks and sewer leaks and telephone cables fading and water quality is suffering and fish aren't so plentiful and drinking water's in tighter supply, and the fact that we need good infrastructure, water, sewer, cable, to keep our quality of life alive, and people see the value of trenchless methods in doing that.
And what would you recommend for getting young engineers interested in trenchless technology?
When I started in this business, I started working as a design engineer, and we'd put documents out to a contractor to build. The belief was use the engineer with the white-collar chappie in the office, the guy out in the field's got a shovel and he's digging holes. That's not the case with trenchless technology. With today's GPS, computer systems, advanced technical know-how, this is very much a white-collar business, where skill in electronics, computerization is vital to know it, and young engineers desperately need to know that they can be in all aspects of this business. Take directional drilling, for example. You can go across the river and come right up between your feet. It's unbelievable the technology we have in this business today. That's why I tell young engineers.
And so you've recently retired. What are your plans with your free time?
Well, I've told people I'm trying to do exactly what I was doing before. Travel, visit friends, have fun, come to conventions like this because my friends are all here. I just love to see what's going on. I was skiing in Squaw Valley last week, I was golfing in Silverado last week, and I'm heading to the golf course immediately I finish this. Apart from the fact, instead of meeting my wife now once a month in Atlanta airport, I actually have her with me and we spend time together, and it's really exciting. Thank you.
Well, thank you and congratulations on your award. And thank you for tuning in to TTTV.